黃福來生，我係白雲鄉原居民嘅村代表嚟嘅。咁我想問你咧，你選址呢個南區中學咧，你有冇諮詢過會鄉事委員會、村代表啊、區議員啊、民政事務處啊？你有冇出過信俾我哋啊？我啊，小朋友去街都要話聲俾爸爸媽媽聽，俾佢去街佢先可以去街。你根本漠視我哋。我話俾你聽，如果你喺度選址冇諮詢過我哋，我身為一個白雲鄉原居民村代表，我成條村都要反對你哋。話俾你聽。唔該，黃生。
Mr. Wong is a village representative of Parkland Hang, and he regretted not receiving any public consultation document from the government. And he represents the whole village to go against the motion of having a school to be rehabilitation centre.
嘅發問，第二輪發問，唔該。呢位先生。
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Mark Ferguson. I'm a secondary school teacher. I just wanted to go back to the point that you keep on making that we are supporting the young people rehabilitate from drug addiction, which I think we've all decided that we absolutely support. And yet you keep on leaving the argument, which is what we don't support, is the location of the drug rehabilitation centre on this site. Now what I'd like to ask you is for some hard statistics. You've referred to those 39 other drug rehabilitation centres. You've mentioned one in Sai Kung, which I know is nowhere near a populated area, which I thought was a very clever thing to do. But can you assure me that in all those 39 drug rehabilitation centres, there's been no crime or safety issues related to the siting of those centres in that area? Now I have a particular concern in this reference because I know that my 2-year-old daughter goes to a nursery school right next to this prospective site for a centre. The second question I'd like to ask you, if you have children yourself, would you send them to a nursery school in proximity to a drug rehabilitation centre if it was put next door to your house? Thank you.
呢位先生係梅窩嘅居民，佢嘅擔心咧係話我哋梅窩嘅居民，所有人都係支持正生書院一個戒毒嘅好有意思嘅工作。我哋唯一反對嘅係佢選址錯誤。我哋知道有好多你講過好多戒毒所，甚至你講過有一間喺西貢，但係以呢位先生知道咧，西貢嗰間咧係遠離民居嘅。亦都相信佢成功嘅地方係遠離民居，而呢位先生有一個2歲嘅女，佢2歲嘅女咧就係正需要喺呢一間學校隔離嘅一間幼兒園嗰度返學嘅。我想問下，佢想問下呢位官員，如果佢自己有個2歲嘅女，佢會唔會願意佢自己2歲嘅女去嗰間學校係喺戒毒學校隔離？
另外一樣嘢，黃生唔好意思，我再講下，我哋今日呢，就希望你唔好本末倒置，未去居民大會就走上區議會。我希望你而家即刻撤銷呢個嚟到區議會嗰個諮詢文件，立即重新喺區嗰度攞咗個意見先，唔該。
And we don't believe that there's the right process to go to the district council before you actually go and ask the people.
好啦，下一位邊位意見？唔該，舉手。好。歐陽生，唔該。
我係喺梅窩度生活咗20幾年。梅窩第一日發展，我已經參與發展，我喺公務局度做，所以一路將梅窩咧就即係建設成今日咁樣，真係除咗梅窩居民之外咧，都係大家嘅努力㗎。但係我哋就唔想話將呢個咁好嘅怡情小鎮變為一個販毒吸毒嘅小鎮。仲有一樣嘢啊，剛才嗰位禁毒專員講啊，佢話西貢啊某些地方啊都有嗰個戒毒中心啊喺度咁樣，但係都冇影響。但係我想知道佢做嗰啲咩功夫，有冇切實咁調查過呢？啲青少年啊吸毒一日比一日多，你睇下呢幾日嘅報紙，日日啊嗰啲學校都有成堆學生嚟去吸機仔，咁到底你自己講嗰啲數字啊係邊度嚟㗎？係
你睇嗰個報紙咧，就根本上已經知道咧，如果喺梅窩呢度咧做咗個政策書咧，係變咗梅窩每日咁嘅啦。你睇個報紙啊，係死晒咁嘅。正話嗰個 Sir 就話，佢話西貢仲有好多地方，好多院舍都係喺嗰個西貢區幾間嘅。大嶼山我哋都唔介意你會有。問題上就話，喂，大嶼山好多山頭嘅喎。 鳳凰沙灘頂啊、大東沙灘頂都冇可以起咯。唔該。
This gentleman is saying that there are other more appropriate places that you can consider for the site for Chinese College.
Hello， 或者阿黃生呢個有佢再講。好，下一位。Are you first and you second? Okay.
Hello. My name's Paul Dodds, and I've lived in Mui Wo over 20 years. I've been in Hong Kong over 30 years. I am a property owner in Mui Wo, and I have children that go to school here. There's 2 points I'd like to make here. You mentioned before the school has been closed for 2 years. That is correct. I know exactly when this school closed. But why did it close? Why did it close? You're talking about management of any of these rehabilitation centres. You need management here as well. How come we have an international school on Lantau that is bursting at the seams? It hasn't got enough room for more pupils. It's closed the waiting list. Yet this school, which is a perfect school, stands empty. The other thing is, opposite here is Hei Ling Chow, which is a well-established drug rehabilitation centre. Why can you not use Hei Ling Chow as a drug rehabilitation centre? The thing is, obviously, there is a problem with drugs in Hong Kong, and it is going to get worse, definitely. But if you fill this school, which you will do, you definitely will do, are you then going to rent apartments around here and put them in the apartments as well? Why, if Hei Ling Chow is now full, it appears to me, although I've never been there, there's a lot of space over there. You could have a drug rehabilitation city over there. If you bring it here, it will destroy Mui Wo altogether, and nobody will come and live where there is a drug rehabilitation centre. I am strongly against this. Thank you.
呢位先生喺梅窩居住咗超過20年，佢擁有物業，亦都有細路仔喺度。佢話：我哋一路以來都喺度爭取緊有一間國際學校，而家現存嘅國際學校滿到寫嗰條隊咧，長到咧等成年，等2年都入唔到去。點解我哋唔可以用呢間學校作為呢個用途，反而正生會突然間會係喺咁高嘅位置之上？第二咧就係喺我哋對面嘅呂喜靈就已經有好多設備完善嘅戒毒服務，而且有好多嘅空間。如果佢已經係滿瀉嘅話咧，仲有好多空間可以再繼續去起多啲嘅戒毒嘅設施同服務。點解一定要揀梅窩咧？如果揀咗梅窩咧，梅窩嘅居民，梅窩嘅本身嘅面貌咧就會被毀壞㗎啦。
好，下一位。